Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on scanning QR codes on iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Scanning QR codes on your iPad is easy to do once you know how, but can be confusing if you don't. With so many restaurant and cafe menus being QR codes now, knowing how to scan QR codes is essential. To scan QR codes, you use the camera app. So open the camera on your iPad. Now point the camera at the QR code as if you were going to take a photo of it. A yellow text box will appear on your iPad screen. What the text says will depend on the QR code that you are scanning. Tap the yellow text box. The page that the QR code is relating to will open. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPad tips and tricks.